All right, today we are looking at a 2014 Glastron 180. It comes equipped with a 150 four-stroke Merc motor. As you can see you've got your ski tow bar, your bench seating in the back, flip-up bolster on each side, full instrumentation, glove box with the radio in it, and then you've got your bow rider, and it also has the windshield closure so you can do the walkthrough. Boat does not come equipped with the bimini, but it can be installed. We can get them from Glastron and put it on if you like. Also comes equipped with the trailer. And that is your 2014 Glastron. And this boat is 7 years old and it is absolutely spotless. Great boat, no marks on it anywhere, well taken care of.